Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning, and turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth. Got a lot going on weather-wise this week. What are we focused on?
We are focused on Tuesday all the way through Friday. Those are all going to be high impact weather days. So today is going to be one of the more calm days, and we still have something popping up on the radar this morning. Just a few snow showers for western Siskiyou County, also in Curry and Josephine counties. Now we'll continue to see these showers mainly in the same areas for the rest of this morning, but then as we head into the afternoon, you notice some more showers popping up across the map. Now these are going to be very hit and miss, so coverage is going to be pretty low today. And then as we head into Tuesday morning, this is when it becomes a lot more interesting because we're tracking that next surge of very heavy moisture. It's going to be along the coast by the time we get to 8 in the morning. And snow levels around this time of the morning are going to be around 1,000 feet. Now a little bit later in the day, they're going to raise up to around 2,000 feet. So this is going to be the main area we're concerned about that will spread inland. So it's going to be a very messy evening commute on Interstate 5. Also on Oregon 99, Oregon 62, Oregon 238. That would be for Tuesday evening. And then we'll continue to have more as we head into Wednesday morning. So because of that, there are winter storm warnings that are already in place. I'll have more on that in a second. But first, some of these water totals we're expecting through Tuesday night. And keep in mind that this is not a complete picture of what we're going to have for this particular storm system, as this one is mainly going to impact us for Tuesday and then into Wednesday morning. So the hard cutoff for this model is right around 9 p.m. on Tuesday. So not a complete picture, but a pretty good idea where we're going to have the most moisture. Down in south central Siskiyou County, along the coast, up in the Cascades, those will be the big winners. Snow levels again are going to bounce around between 1,000 feet in the mornings to around 2,000 feet in the afternoon. So the biggest impacts will be in Curry County in the coastal mountains. For Josephine County, Cave Junction could have between 4 to 6 inches of snow there, and maybe 6 to 8 inches of snow we could have for Hayes Hill, and then for south central Siskiyou County. Also upwards of maybe another ½ foot of snow for the Cascades, but elsewhere impacts are going to be pretty minimal. So ahead of this, like I already mentioned, we do have winter storm warnings that are in place for Siskiyou County, also for Curry County and Josephine County, mainly above 1,500 feet. This runs from 4 in the morning on Tuesday to 10 in the morning on Wednesday. Now officially, the National Weather Service in Medford is just saying this is until 10 in the morning on Wednesday. They haven't put a start time to it yet, so theoretically this is already in place. But just based off of what we saw in Stormcast, I think they meant this. I think they meant to say it's from 4 in the morning on Tuesday to 10 in the morning on Wednesday. So for today, we'll have those snow showers just kind of working through. Again, snow levels are going to be between 1,000 to 2,000 feet. But other than that, it's going to be a cold day, 30s and 40s across the board. Then overnight, a cold night. We'll continue to have more snow showers just working through the region. But then the bigger impacts are going to come into Tuesday morning, into Wednesday, and then we're tracking another surge of snow into Thursday and Friday. Also, we'll have high impact weather days for those days with more heavy snow on the way. Snow levels with this one looking a little bit higher, so that means we'll probably see some limited impacts on some of those lower passes, but higher passes are still going to be under the gun. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms likely for the next 3 days, and then winds picking up as we head into Thursday. For Siskiyou County, we will go back and forth between rain and snow, especially starting on Wednesday. I think it's mainly just snow for Monday and Tuesday, but then snow levels raising up into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For the east side, we keep it as all snow up until Thursday and Friday, and that's when snow levels come up high enough to where it will finally see a transition back to rain for the east side. The Cascades are going to look very rough over the next 7 days. I would highly recommend against traveling in the Cascades. And then for the Rogue Valley, a couple more chances for snow showers through Wednesday. I think it's just rain after Thursday.